Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a TA into your courses in Canvas. So we recommend doing this so that it's available for your TAs to access so they can see the content, but you'll want to make sure that you give them a TA profile. And that's just kind of been our recommendation so that your content can't be edited as well as the grades cannot be edited by the TA as well. So you'll go into Canvas and then you'll go into any one of your courses from your dashboard or from your courses menu. And then whenever you're in your course, on the right-hand side, you're going to go down and select the people menu. And whenever I am on the people menu on the right-hand side of the screen where it says plus people, I'll click that button. And then I'm going to enter in the employee's, the TA's email address. You can paste that in if you already have it open in another tab. So email address and then paste that in. The important part here is that for the role in the course, you will want to give them a TA role. Teacher role means they can edit your content and edit grades, so you don't want to do that. You'll select the TA profile and then click next. And then it just wants to make sure that you are super sure you want to add this person into your course with the TA profile. And I'll click add users. And then they are invited to join your course. They will not see your course until they've accepted the invitation. They'll get an email that lets them know they got an invitation to join your course. And they'll also see a notification banner across their dashboard when they sign into Canvas where they can accept the invitation. And as soon as they accept that, they'll see everything that you need them to in your course. So if you have any questions, let us know.